Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by removing the easiest opportunities to pick. Do this before swapping habits. First, note your top triggers and put a simple barrier on your hands or face, bandage, tape, or thin gloves. Once done, use a verbal cue and a 30-60-second pause to break impulse momentum, then perform a micro replacement like squeezing a stress ball. This immediate setup reduces automatic behavior and buys you time to choose differently. Now expand a repeatable routine that fills the void left by picking. You want a short but satisfying chain. Deep breaths, drink water, wipe face with a cool towel, and journal one sentence or take a 5-minute walk. Make a concise skincare ritual of cleanse, spot treat, moisturize, 60-90 seconds that respects skin and reduces urge to inspect. Then stack your new routine onto an existing cue like after coffee or after shower, so repetition becomes automatic. Finish by reinforcing progress and preparing for setbacks. Log each episode quickly, time, trigger, urge strength, and review weekly to tweak your tools. That data shows what works. Gradually phase barriers as new routines stick, while adding support like a therapist, accountability partner, habit app, or dermatologist if skin damage persists. If you relapse, follow your emergency plan immediately. Apply a cold pack, cover the area, and force a 10-minute delay. And contact your supporter. This stops escalation and returns you to recovery steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.